Hi guys, it's Sam here from Ellie Rose Party Designs and welcome to today's video, which is a Mickey Mouse theme. Yay! I always find that these are very popular with you guys, so I thought I would do something a little bit extra special for you guys and provide you with some Mickey Mouse chip bags. These templates you can find in the link in the description box below this video, and they are free to download, so please feel free to give them a go at your Mickey Mouse party. Let's get started. So the chip bag template, you're going to be using some type of glossy brochure paper, okay? All my resources I will link down below this video, so you will be able to find where you can actually purchase them from or give you an example of what you need to find. All right, so this is a brochure glossy paper, okay? It's not the one that I'm going to be linking down below the video, but it is similar. This one I actually get printed by a friend who has a printing company, okay? So you're also going to get a border that's going to go around it, all right? So I'll show you exactly how to do that. So don't feel like, oh my goodness, it hasn't worked. Make sure that it does have a border because it makes it a little bit easier for you. All right, so that is the Mickey Mouse one. Now, I've just noticed that by just looking at it like that, I think it might even need maybe a Mickey Mouse house at the back. It's a little clubhouse, but I will, if I've got time, I might amend it, but if not, this is how it's going to work, and it's still super cute. All right, and then you have your Minnie Mouse one. Now, the difference between obviously the Minnie Mouse, beside it being pink and being Minnie Mouse, is that I have included the crimping effect on these bags already, so you don't have to add the crimping to it if you don't want to. And in fact, you don't have to anyhow, even if it doesn't have that. But I just thought I would add something a little bit different. Whereas this one here doesn't have that crimping thing. And I'm going to use my crimping tool to show you how to do it. Okay, I've done it in several other videos, but obviously I will show you again in this video. So crimping tool is something that you can add as your tools and equipment to use, but this is not standard. Okay, so feel free to use it if you have it or not. Some type of adhesive. I'm using my ATG gun, some scissors, and my popcorn bags, but you can use whichever, lolly bags or chip bags, whatever you want to use. Okay, but make sure that it stays in its actual original form. That way it's still food safe. Okay, so let's get started with Mickey. All right. And let's move everything to the side. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is cut out the bottom and at the top. We're gonna leave the sides there because that's what we're gonna use to bring it together. Okay, so all we're gonna do is cut the sides like here. Okay, and the next thing we're gonna do now is to flip it over and start assembling it. So all you're going to do is take the chip bag, you're going to pop it in here. What I like to do is to kind of get a feel for where my middle is, which is about. I like to look at it in the light, and I am just going to pop it about there. And then I'm going to pop my chip bag there so it kind of stays in place. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to glue those two sides together. Okay, like that there. So all I'm going to do is just add a bit of glue to here. So you probably want to do this first before you actually put the chips inside there, but hey, whatever works for you. All right, now let's bring it and squish it together like that. And let's start from the top. Make sure that it kind of joins together like that there. And then we slowly move our way down, down, and down. Okay. And then let's just put our fingers through it so that it sticks together. All right. And then all we're going to do now is put some adhesive over here and over there. Now, you probably should have done this, which I think I probably need to. So this video is what not to do with your chip bags. All right, I forgot to pop the adhesive in. Yeah. All right, so let's just do that now. There we go, and then let's do this side too. All right, so let's give this a go again, shall we? Sometimes I'm so quick to wanting to get this video out to you guys, I don't actually think about what I should be doing first. All right, but anyway, will work as long as you get it all together. Okay. And then what I like to do is, I've obviously got space at the top and the bottom, so I'm not too concerned about that. I like to start from the middle and work my way out and squeeze it at the ends. Okay, and then let's do the same over here. And squeeze it out. And squeeze it out. Okay, I've kind of made a bit of a boo-boo here, but hey, this is what you probably want to see, is how to fix your problems, okay? How to fix the mistakes, sorry. And then the same thing over here. Let me just cut that little white bit off there. Alrighty, and there's my chip bags. Okay, and then all I'm going to do now is to crimp that, and all you have to do is to pop your bag into the crimping machine like that there, and we're just going to turn it, and this actually helps it kind of glue together a lot more. It kind of squeezes it a lot more together. Okay, and then let's do the other side. Alrighty. So there we go. Actually, wrong way. There is my chip bag. So as you can see, it's got the crimping effect. Alright, and the same thing at the bottom. The crimping effect. And that's how you make your, whoopsie, that's how you make the Mickey Mouse one. Okay, so it's really quick and easy once you get into the rhythm of making them all. But, I mean guys, imagine adding this to your Mickey Mouse party. How cute is that? The kids are gonna love it as a party favor, or something you're gonna add to the table for them when they sit down to eat or whatever it is. Pretty cool. All right, so here is the mini one. Let's get started with that one. So same thing we're gonna do. Let me just clean up here for a second. All right, we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna cut the edges. And hopefully we'll get this one right this time. Okay. So let's just see how this is going to work. Yep. All right, let's kind of like bend where I'm wanting it to be folded. That will give me a better guide. Now let's do this side too. All right. Now that I've done that, let's add in our adhesive at the top and at the bottom. Okay, and then I am wanting to, let's add the tape here. Okay, and then I'm just wanting to add a little bit in the middle, like so. Let's pop in our, by doing it this way, by adding those fold lines, it's probably something I probably should have shown you in the first chip bag. It helps you also decide exactly where the center is going to be and where to pop your chips. All right, so let's fold that. And let's pop you. Okay. And then let's do the end bits. And let's do, sometimes you just got to give it a bit of a push down. Alrighty, it's the same thing. I'm just going to give that a bit of a cut. And there is my chip bag, Minnie Mouse chip bag. Now, just for some reason this one doesn't want to play nicely either. Of course, when I'm busy videotaping, it kind of goes all haywire. But there is your chip bag, and that's the back of it. Thanks for coming to my party. Pretty cute, isn't it? Alright guys, so that is how you make your Mickey Mouse or your Minnie Mouse chip bag. So it is pretty easy and quick once you figure out the little nitty-gritty things. But I hope you give this a go, and please feel free to tag me to your pictures on Instagram. I always love to see what you guys come up with my printables. So it's at Ellie Rose Party Designs. And yeah, I hope you like this video and you give it a thumbs up, and you subscribe and share with your friends and family. And that is pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.